Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I will be doing a breadfruit shepherd's pie. And first we start by preparing our saltfish. So I always start with some fresh seasonings. I have my garlic, onion, bell peppers, seasoning peppers, carrot, scallion, thyme, and I also have some grated turmeric. Into a pan with some olive oil, I add all these ingredients. Once they are soft, I go in with my coconut milk and then with my saltfish. I allow it to simmer and I place it to a side to cool whilst I get our breadfruit prepared. Next, I cut the breadfruit into 4 equal pieces. I place them into a pot to steam, and once they are soft, I remove them from the pot. Next, we peel the skin off and we cut off the area called the heart, and we go ahead and dice our breadfruit. I'm going to place it in my food processor just so it minces smooth. Once smooth, we're going to go in with 2 beaten eggs, which will help to fluff the breadfruit just a little bit more, and we're going to add a little bit of salt as well to taste. And guys, this is the consistency that we are looking for. Next, we move on to assembling our pie. We're going to start with a layer of the breadfruit. We're just going to have an even layer and just spread it out as best as we can. Next, we're going to go in with a layer of that sancoche. We are doing an even spread of the sancoche as well. And then we're going to top it off with that last layer of breadfruit. Now the trick for me when layering that top layer, just so that the sancoche sauce doesn't seep through, you're just going to place bits and pieces of that breadfruit in different areas so it makes it easier to spread. I went ahead and did some designs using a fork on the top, and then I went ahead and also added a light layer of cheese. I placed this into the oven until golden brown, and this is how it looks in the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to you guys continuing to tune into my Breadfruit series, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.